Okay, I'm going to read our science with you today. So, in science today, we're going to conclude our study on plants. So, that means we're going to be finished with our last lesson. Our last lesson is only 2 pages. So, if you can, will you open the document, sorry, called, well, actually, it's called Photosynthesis. So, can you open up the document called Photosynthesis? I want you to read along with me as I read aloud to you. So go ahead, pause the video, make sure you are opening photosynthesis so that you can follow along. Now that you have it open, we'll continue, or actually we will start reading. So look at page 60, the importance of leaves. So do you already know why leaves are important to a plant? Let's see. There are many different kinds of plant leaves. Maple leaves are broad and flat. Pine needles are thin and pointed. No matter how they are shaped, leaves all have the same job. Leaves make food for the plant. Okay, Mr. Bond likes to eat a lot. So if he was a plant, he'd probably have to have a lot of leaves, right? Is that how it works? Okay, to make food, plants need a gas from the air, water, and energy from sunlight. To capture the energy of sunlight, leaf cells contain a substance called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. Can you guys say chlorophyll? That's it. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. Okay, so really quick, what plant part makes food for the plant? Yes, leaves. 2. What's that fancy word we just heard? Chlorophyll has 3 sounds, 3 syllables. Chlorophyll, when I put them all together. Chlorophyll is what makes leaves red. Orange? Yellow? Oh yeah, green. So chlorophyll is what makes leaves green. The underside of every leaf has tiny holes. These holes let in carbon dioxide, a gas that is part of the air around us. So the air around us has a gas called carbon dioxide. Most plants get water from the soil. Water enters a plant through its roots. The water travels up through the stem of the plant to the leaves. And again, leaves make the what for the plant? Right. They make the food for the plant. What makes green? Yeah. Oh, yeah. What makes leaves green? Chlorophyll. Page 61. Leaves are like little factories. Okay, that's the big places where you're able to make lots of stuff. Like where cars can be made a lot, where you can make a lot of candy or clothes. That's where you make stuff, right? Using carbon dioxide, water, and energy from the sunlight, they make food for the plant through a process called photosynthesis. Again, they make food for the plant through a process called photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, plants use energy from the sun to change carbon dioxide and water into sugar and oxygen. The sugar is the plant's food. Sugars give plants the energy they need to live and grow. Ooh, I like sugar too. When other organisms eat plants, they get the energy that the plant has made. Hey, I eat plants sometimes, like in my salads, or if I just want a snack, like with some green pepper or some carrots. I'm eating plant parts. So, do I like get their energy? Yeah, I do. Plants release the oxygen back into the air. Most organisms, like you and me, need oxygen to live. You inhale oxygen every time you breathe. So when we go, we inhale oxygen. When we, what comes out is carbon dioxide. So we inhale oxygen, we exhale carbon dioxide. This is pretty cool. If you look at the bottom of the page, it shows you a diagram. A diagram. That's a text feature that gives you more information. So this diagram is a text feature that tells me more. It helps me better understand the process of photosynthesis. Okay, so I can actually see what goes into the plant. It looks like sunlight goes into the plant, carbon dioxide goes into the plant, even water goes into the roots. Then the leaves make the food for the plant, right? Okay, so they take in that stuff and the leaf makes the food, right? Like a little factory. And then it goes to other parts. And then out of the plant comes what we breathe in, oxygen. Yep. Okay, so we're going to stop there. I'll let you go ahead and continue with the rest of your photosynthesis assignment for today.